What are these on my onions? This is Moriel in Memphis, Tennessee.
Yeah.
Ah. So what did you think that was?
Aphids.
Aphids.
Yes. But you know, I wouldn't worry about them. You can wash them off. And aphids are a delicacy for so many different bugs. The Mother Nature is going to take care of that in no time.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't worry about it.
I wouldn't worry about it. It's just almost an aphid species for every plant that's out there.
Yeah.
It seems like.
All different colors.
Oh yeah, all different colors. Because these are actually a little darker.
Yeah.
Right. But yeah, piercing, sucking mouth parts, of course.
Right.
You know, they're feeding on plant sap. Yeah. Get the hose out.
Hose out. Wash them off.
Wash them off. You'll be fine. There are some other products you can use, insecticidal soaps and things like that. Read and follow the label. But I think if you get, just get the hose out, knock them off, that'd be fine. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.